In this one, let's take a look at transforming a basic parabola through a sequence of steps. So first I'm going to put down x squared and put down 3 basic points on it. So for example, negative 1, 1, then 0, 0, and then also here, for example, 1, 1. And the first transformation will be to shift it to the right by 1 unit. So I'm going to put x minus 1 for that reason. Now the proper way to see this is not to see it as negative 1. That's misleading. You really should see it as minus a positive 1. See, I'm interpreting that value as positive 1 because that positive 1 then tells me I got to change each x coordinate by 1 to the right. Take a look. Negative 1 plus 1, then you copy the y coordinate. So it becomes the new point 0, 1, then you mark it up there. Look, 0, 1. Back on this one, if you mark the points, the basic points on the parent graph, they end up being negative 1, 1, 0, 0, and 1, 1, like that. Right? I'm sorry. They look like this, roughly speaking. So now for the new one, you have the point 0, 1. So you have changed them. Like for example, if this is the point A, then this is now the point A prime. This is, moved over version. Then you do that for the next point. You're going to have here, again, you're going to add 1 to each x coordinate. So you're going to do 0 plus 1. Copy the y coordinate, which is 0. That's going to give you the new point 1, 0. And you put that up there, 1, 0. Which means if this is the point B over here, then this is the point B prime. It's the transformed version of it, the moved over version. Then you repeat that, so now you're going to have now 1 plus 1, you copy the y coordinate for that point exactly. It's going to give you 2, 1. So up here, you're now going to have the point 2, 1, right? Say over here. So if back here on the original you had the point, for example, here C, the new point will be C prime. It's been moved over here to 2, 1. And then you kind of, do the best you can connecting them. Let's do one more and last kind of transformation, which will be this one. Take a look. Over here, I'm going to do now x minus 1. I've taken care of that part of it at the second stage. And now I'm going to do here, say, plus 2. The impact of that will be to change each y coordinate as follows. You're going to take these points and you're going to transform them. It's going to be 0, you copy the x. Then you're going to do 1 plus 2. This is going to generate a new point, 0, 3. And you mark it up there, 0, 3. Okay? So this will be like the point A double prime. You move that over again. Now it's going to be 1, and you take the 0 and you add to it the 2. The 2 on the outside means you're changing the y coordinate. It's going to give you 1, here 2 to be careful. So come to that third panel and type 1, 2. So 1 to the right, 2 up. So this will be like B double prime. The last one would be now, take a look, 2, 1. This will be equal to the following. You're going to add 2 to the y coordinates. So put there in that position. Let me erase that. I misspoke a little bit. Erase this portion right here. Then let me put this back. So it looks like this. It's going to be 2, and then 1 plus 2. So it's going to give me 2, 3. And you mark that up there. So 2 to the right and 3 up. So it's going to be like C double prime. And then you connect that. And now that is x minus 1 squared plus 2. And that's all I want to say in this one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Leave a like.